See those right there?
Oh yeah, it's like a hard kit right here. This is the pump.
So is it spraying oil for the injector? It injects it down there in the crankcase.
It might have, because
That lubricant.
all right. 1, 2.
This thing weighs as much as a whole motorcycle.
It does. I beg to say this thing's 150 pounds.
Oh, easy.
More stuff out of there. All right. Awesome. These are the next angels that showed up on the property to take all the motorcycles. Hooray. Oh my gosh, there's so many. Got some parts bikes. And we got these 2 bikes. Going.
There's that other muffler that matches that one in there.
Oh, that's the one I took out.
Oh, I was gonna say it
Yeah.
matches it. Those are called cherry bombs. Back in the day, we put those on our cars when we were like 16, 18 years old, so they were really loud.
Yeah, you're right. I'll lift up the rear end and slide.
Yeah, and just there you go, little. Get out now. Come on.
Slide straight back.
No brakes, right?
These frames are staying, and they're going to be turned into planters. I like that.